Abhishek, the child can also ask this kind of question, no? That, ma'am, whenever we travel by train or anything, we have a motion sickness. Why don't we have any motion sickness when we are on the earth and the earth is spinning with such a high speed?
Here, the child may ask a question that is the earth always rotating with a high speed, or sometimes the speed goes slow as well?
Think that anything that forces the child to think is a kind of a critical thinking.
Every thought-provoking question may not necessarily lead to critical thinking every time. Sometimes they may end up with more information on that particular topic.